chairperson. A magnificent performance today. Many congratulations, and let's get them one by one. There'll be a huge cheer for this one. The magician Jasprit Bumrah. He took so many wickets for India in this tournament, including today, Varun Chakravarti. Always there at the end, the giant Shivam Dube. So much energy in that body of his, Ishan Kishan. Always there whenever India needed him. Hardik Pandya. There isn't a major India game where he hasn't made a contribution. Let's welcome Akshar Patel. In many ways, the story of this tournament, Sanju Samson. India kept faith with him and he repaid that faith in the final. Abhishek Sharma. He came in at very short notice and made an impact in the match that he played. Mohammad Siraj. Coming up next, put your hands together, Arshdeep Singh. Always there in the field, Rinku Singh. Put your hands together for Washington Sundar. He bats wherever you ask him to. Tilak Varma. The very special Kuldeep Yadav. And finally, his moment as much as anybody else's, the captain, Surya Kumar Yadav. He's been through so much in his career, Surya Kumar Yadav, with bat as leader, kept faith with his key players, and when the moment came, the players rewarded him with a performance for the ages in the last 3 or 4 games especially. Come along, Surya, come along. Has it sunk in that you've created the first team to retain the title Has it sunk in?
Jay Bhai, that time secretary, Rohit Bhai and everyone, they showed faith in me, gave me an opportunity to lead this wonderful side, and then it was a long cycle coming here again at the Sri Narendra Modi Stadium and doing it. I think it's a special feeling.
How do you keep the pressure of being favourites away? Everyone's talking about India being favourites. What was that the conversation in the dressing room as well, saying we are front runners, we'll do it?
I think we knew that we were playing some good cricket throughout the 2 years, and it was going really well. We just wanted to follow all the good habits which we followed in 2024 T20 World Cup. Tell the boys the same thing. What is the feeling of winning a World Cup? How do we want to play in the bilateral series? That taste which we want to take forward and go on to play a T20 World Cup. I think that was actually invited to everyone to the team, and the boys took it really well.
It was particularly admirable that you kept faith with players. Whether it was Varun Chakravarti, whether it was Abhishek Sharma, whether it was Sanju Samson.
I think it's really important to understand what they are capable of, and I knew they had the match winners in them. I think the timing was perfect for Sanju to come in. Varun Chakravarti, Abhishek Sharma, world #1 players. We always knew that they had something special. No bigger stage than a final to do something, and also especially how Jasprit Bumrah, Hardik Pandya, Akshar Patel, they have been in the circuit for a really long time, taking care of each other with all the support staff. I think it was very special.
Tell me how it is to have that magician Bumrah in your side.
That's what I said. Like how Sanju said in the last game, he wanted to give his man of the match to Jasprit Bumrah. Once is a generation bowler. I can call him as a national treasure right now, but he knows what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, the best in the business, and hopefully he keeps doing that.
They're all looking here. They're waiting for you to go there. Surya Kumar Yadav, captain of India. It must be a fantastic feeling. And now you can go and receive your trophy from Mr. Jay Shah, chairperson of the ICC. And well done.
Thank you, Ahmedabad.
ICC T20 World Cup for the second time. Ladies and gentlemen, Surya Kumar Yadav and Team India.
ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 के चैंपियंस टीम इंडिया। वेल, इन्होंने आज सिर्फ अपने सपनों को ही नहीं 1.4 बिलियन ड्रीम्स को पूरा किया है। और चैंपियन बनना एक बार ग्रेट, बट चैंपियन बनने की आदत बनाना ये सही मायने में ग्रेटनेस होती है, लेगेसी होती है। और आकाश की लेगेसी क्रिएट की है टीम इंडिया ने एक बार फिर से।
एब्सोल्युटली। और ये दृश्य अब तो ऐसा लगता है ना कि देखे से है, क्योंकि अभी 2 साल पहले हमने इन दृश्यों को देखा था जब बारबेडोस में यही तिरंगा भारतीय टीम ने लहराया था। और आज बारी थी अहमदाबाद के नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम की, विश्व के सबसे बड़े क्रिकेट स्टेडियम की, सबसे बड़े रंगमंच की। और यहाँ पर ये खिलाड़ी आए हैं, ये कलाकार आए हैं और 140 करोड़ भारतीयों का सपना साथ लाए थे और सपना साकार करके गए हैं। इतिहास के पन्नों में स्वर्णिम अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा इस टीम का नाम, इन खिलाड़ियों का नाम, क्योंकि ये खिलाड़ी बहुत खास है। और मज़ेदार बात इस टूर्नामेंट की ये रही है कि हर लम्हे पर, हर पड़ाव पे यू फाउंड अ न्यू हीरो। कभी वो शिवम दुबे थे, कभी वो संजू सैमसन थे, कभी ईशान किशन थे, या फिर जसप्रीत बुमराह थे। दे वर मैनी हीरोज। और सुपरस्टार्स की ये टीम है और सुपरस्टार ही ये टीम है। बहुत प्राउड हम फील करते हैं क्योंकि हम सबको इन्होंने गौरवान्वित किया है।
और हमारे सुपर हीरोज की ये टीम है जिसने हमें बहुत सारे हीरोइक मोमेंट्स दिए हैं, चाहे वो संजू सैमसन हो, चाहे वो शिवम दुबे हो, चाहे वो हार्दिक पांड्या हो। एंड हमारे साथ वर्ल्ड चैंपियन यहाँ भी मौजूद है। सुरेश, कब सिंक इन होता है एज अ प्लेयर कि आप बन चुके हैं वर्ल्ड चैंपियन?
देखो, आज तो होगा नहीं। जब भी वापस जाएंगे रूम में, पहुँचते फैंस आएंगे, घर से इतने कॉल्स आएंगे, पूरा जमा वाला होगा होटल में। सुबह जब निकलेंगे फिर धीरे
ये बस शुरुआत हुई है, जो फैनफेयर है आगे चलते हुए। आकाश, जब ये टीम वापस देखेगी, इनमें से बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हैं जिन्होंने 2024 में भी T20 वर्ल्ड कप ट्रॉफी को उठाया है, डबल वैमी की है।